So boom, gang, Merry Christmas. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. My name's Beast. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Uta_beef. So watch this now. When I went and picked up the Snow Peak M60, Jim told me to take a pistol as well. So I've got a PCP pistol that we're gonna unbox right now. I didn't give out no clues, so we're just gonna get straight into it. You get me? So boom, gang. Big thank you to Jim, Daniel at Crawley Surplus Store. Merry Christmas to everyone. Let me get into it quickly, man. It's only an unboxing. Alright, so boom, gang. Let me show you how I wanted to unbox this now. See how it comes fresh. And it hasn't been touched. You see the sellotapes are still on. All they done was priced it and put it back down. You get me? So yeah, let's get into it. I've been hiding this secretly, but let me show you what it is. It's a Reximex Mito in 177. It's a pre-charged pneumatic and it's in red. You get me? I told Jim if this is accurate, I might have to buy it to tell the truth. But boom, gang, let's get into it now. Let's see what's good in there now. Okay. Okay. Let's open this up and see. I like this case though. It's decent. It's nice and protective. Still, the little logo. They went all out on this one, but alright, let's go inside and see what it's looking like in here now. Okay. I ain't gonna talk about anything because we're gonna do a review, but take a quick peek. What's that? That looks crazy. Don't know if you lot can see that. You got probe. You got this here. I ain't telling you what it is. You got this here. I ain't telling you what it is. 2 magazines. Single shot. You got to see the stock on it. Let me take this out quick. That looks decent. That looks crazy. Let me see this right. Let me see the pistol now. Okay. Yeah. I kind of like this, you know. It's got a nice little weight to it as well. Is there any air in it? Yeah, 250. Just under 250 bar in that. Okay. Oh shit. That is loud. Whew. Let me put it back. Oh, I might have to buy this, I can't lie. Alright, there wasn't the chrono readings as always. 5.5 foot-pound. 5.5. It's kind of consistent, to tell the truth. It's kind of consistent, but let me not give you lot too much, man. I'm going to go have fun with this before I review it. I don't care. So, gang, that's your little quick thing. That's your little quick sneak peek of the Reximex Mito. Look out for this video. I want to bring it to the range and see how far it can really shoot. If it can go out to 30 and accurate, God knows I might buy this, to tell the truth. God knows. But yeah, this is the Reximex Mito in 177. Gang, I'm done.
Obo, abuse that shit, then pass it to Cuzzo. We just circled your block, that's 4 cars deep in the C2 borrow. And I've lost the plot, numerous times my blade got cuddled. And if I catch me up, I'll juice that you in Leafhead's puzzle.